Good day again, gentlemen, and ladies, of course. This is another lever lock that I acquired at the antique store today. It is a Ramson No. 57. Did a little research on this lock. You can get them, they're made in India. You can get them off Amazon for about, $7 or $8. Or 495 rupees. So here's our key. It says 6 levers. I do not think there are 6 levers in it. But let's go ahead and pick it. So again, I'm going to be using this little tension tool and a 25 thousandths Peterson hook pick. I think it's a H4. But yeah, the levers in this one they feel huge. I mean, they're a lot easier to deal with than the ones in the other lock that I showed in a previous video, the super lock. Oops, keep slipping off of them here. Oh man, there we go. Okay, that one's set. This one's really springy. Oops. And there we go. So, yeah. A Ramson No. 57. Second lever lock ever picked by me. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.